Today we are going to learn some of the English basic phrases in Nuer language. Vocabulary mean riäät tin bom bom. Riäät tin bom bom. Sentences mean dobni riäni. Word mean riäät. Prepared by Changkuoth Nyak. This is the first lesson. We will start from 1 up to 5 and we continue with the rest of the numbers. Let's get started. I want 2 hens. I want 2 hen. En göörä manpɛlɛ. Hen göörä manpɛlɛ. Number 2. The man has 2 aunts. The man has 2 aunts. Raan te kɛtɛrɛ. Raan te kɛtɛrɛ. Te mean has. Wherever you will see has in the sentence, you are going to see te in Nuer language sentence. The man has 2 aunts. Raan te kɛtɛrɛ. Number 3. This boy has 2 pens. We have has here, so it means that there has to be te, like I already tell you here. This boy has 2 pens. Dhɔl eme te kɛpɛnero. Dhɔl eme te kɛpɛnero. Dhɔl, it is a singular word. Word it refers to boy. But when we say boys with s, it means dhɔl, like many. But here we say dhɔl, not dhɔl. Dhɔl eme te kɛpɛnero. This boy has 2 pens. Number 4. The chief has 2 children. The chief has 10 children. The chief has 10 children. Kuäär take a gaat well. You can see also we have te here. Te meaning us. Te refer to us in the sentence. The chief has 10 children. Kuäär take a gaat well. Number 5. The crocodile is in the river. The crocodile is in the river. Nyaŋ ja yieer. Nyaŋ ja yieer. The crocodile is in the river. Nyaŋ ja yieer. Nyaŋ ja yieer. You go to lesson number 11. We have number 6 right here. Let's continue with lesson 6 or sentence 6. My father is at home. My father is at home. Guaar ja ching. Wherever you see ja refer to is in English. Ja is. You can let me take you back to first lesson. We have something here with is. The crocodile is in the river. Is mean ja. The crocodile is in the river. Nyaŋ ja yieer. Is refer to ja in Nuer language. Let's get back to our lesson. My father is at home. My father is at home. Guaar ja ching. Guaar ja ching. Galwak has 5 children. Galwak te gaat diit. Galwak te gaat diit. Galwak has 5 children. Galwak te gaat diit. Galwak te gaat diit. The girls are at home. The girls are at home. Guaar kaching. Or you can simply say it, nyiär kaching. The girls are at home. Guaar kaching. Or you can say nyiär kaching. Let me show you this. Ka is right here. Ka, it means are. Wherever you see are in your language, we say ka. That's what it refers. The girls are at home. Guaar kaching or nyiär kaching. Number 9. The sheep has 100 cows. The sheep has 100 cows. Kuäär te hok to kuäär. Kuäär te hok to kuäär. Kuäär mean sheep. Kuäär. Kuäär te hok to kuäär. Kuäär mean 100. Hok mean cows. Cow with s. But when we say hok, we can simply say it cattle as in many form. But since we already put s here, we call it hok. When it is 1 cow, we say yang. The sheep has 100 cows. kuäär te hok to kuäär. Number 10. The boys are not at home. The boys are not at home. Dhɔl chicken te nyaŋ. Dhɔl chicken te nyaŋ. Boys with S, which mean they are many, we call it dhɔl. Boys, dhɔl. When it is one boy, we say dhɔl. The boys are at home. Dhɔl chicken te nyaŋ. Dhɔl chicken te nyaŋ. Next lesson. We are going to change this English sentence into Nuer language, starting from 11 up to 15. The girls have clothes. The girls have clothes. Nyiär taken ke biäyni. Nyiär taken ke biäyni. I have a knife. Hen ta kongom. Hen ta kongom. We have knives. Tene kongomni. Tene kongomni. Cow and dog are drinking water. Yang kene juk mas ken pew. Yang kene juk mas ken pew. In no language we don't say it dog drink water. I mean dog or juk mother pew. We say it juk lapper pew. But in this sentence here, where we say cow and dogs are drinking water, it means that when we say cow, we can say yang masa pew. In that case, when we are mixing two of them, we can simply say it yang kene juk mas ken pew. Yang kene juk mas ken pew. Number 15. Hole is a magician bird. Hole is a magician bird. Gumut adin mgwanwal. Gumut adin mgwanwal. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.